Hello and welcome to another quick episode of bookgen.com. We are now just bringing you an exciting update where our publishing tools section has been renamed and also restructured. We're just making it a cleaner interface and we're just making it a lot easier for users to understand what the publishing tools component of the publisher tier on BookGen provides. So as you can see, I've generated a number of books and outlines with my BookGen account. Outlines are free, so all you need to do is have a free subscription, and you can generate as many outlines as you want. Outlines give you kind of two main documents. One is a book outline, 12 chapter book outline for your book, whether it's fiction or non-fiction. There's different wizards to work you through the different components that you need to think about when it comes to your book. And the second document you get is actually a research document, really exciting. And a research document, again, the difference for fiction and non-fiction, and I really encourage you to check that out. But this is a publishing tool section, and you can actually use this in one of two ways: either pre writing a book and coming up at the idea stage, or kind of post once you've published it, once you've created it, and then you can actually just generate some KDP keywords, BISAC categories, and other marketing insights. But I think the marketing insights are also useful if you're just kind of setting out. I've written often books about sports, and so if I'm interested in a book about, for example, let's just say cricket skills for boys, if I generate that, what this is going to give you is a series of the BISAC categories that you can use when you're publishing this, and that's kind of particularly useful when it comes to things like Ingram Spark, and also when it comes to Google Books. Your KDP metadata, as you can see here, is your kind of keywords that are really kind of going to be key, and you've got kind of really interesting kind of keywords there. And then you also marketing insights. But let's quickly just kind of look through at the BISAC categories. So what's really good is that it straight away gives you both a code and also kind of the actual kind of flow of the actual BISAC category. So one is sports, recreation, coaching in general, and then you've also got sports and recreation, cricket. I think these two would be kind of really, really ideal. But you've also got, for example, in terms of a marketing perspective, what's the hook for the book? What's the main content? You can use this in the description section. And there's a call to action. Again, this can be just used to kind of help kind of drive and convert sales. You've got a target audience here, which is really interesting. So what you could do is come here. If you're a publisher, you come here, you come up with an idea, and then you create like a target audience. When you've got the actual target audience section in the wizard, you can just use one or more of these target audiences already picked out for you, and you've already got the description for the book as well. So actually, you can use this to feed into your wizard, which would be a really interesting way of doing it. You've got some insights on marketing, when's the best time to launch the book, and also some competitive insights. What other titles are there out there? And what's a market gap? This is a really interesting one where, yeah, where it's saying actually focusing on cricket skills for boys is quite a good idea. So, yeah, I just wanted to show you that. And thanks for listening.